town. His money was on his back. He laid his brother down, pulled out an old gunny sack, said, plant a little seed, plant a little corn, got to feed my brand new born, then be gone by the early morn. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest gone. John Barleycorn ain't no fool. His bag's filled to the top. He knows the golden rule. He's working for a bumper crop. Said, plant a little seed, plant a little corn, got to feed my brand new born, then be gone by the early morn. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest comes. Till the harvest comes. Till the harvest comes. We're gonna gather it up in the barn. We're gonna sing brand new song. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest comes. John Barleycorn keeps on moving, ain't never gonna settle down. Oh, well, it's a highway to him. He traveled from town to town. Said, plant a little seed, plant a little corn, got to feed my brand new born, then be gone by the early morn. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest comes. Till the harvest comes. Till the harvest comes. We're gonna gather it up in the barn. We're gonna sing brand new song. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest comes. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest comes. I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait till the harvest comes.